Thank you, Lord. Thank. All right. Hey, what is going on, everybody? It is Dave in here helping you play creatively. Today we are looking at one of the most standard gospel progressions that every beginner needs to know. Now, these chords aren't beginner. However, if you want to play these songs this way, you got to learn this progression. It's an essential progression in gospel music, all right? It's really a 7-3-6 minor 5-1-4 progression. Now, I'm not going to get into the theory of this progression. We're only utilizing the scale degrees numbers within the key of F. That's why I'm saying it like that. That being said, let's get right to the progression, all right? So I'm going to play some songs for you, and you're going to notice that all of these songs have this progression in common, all right? As the deer panteth for the waters of my soul, or thank you, Lord. Thank. All right. And then how great is our God, and sing with me, how great is our God, and all will see how great. Okay, so you can see that this progression is really used in a lot of gospel and Christian contemporary songs that you want to add some flavor to. Okay, so now what's happening in this progression? All right, well, we're in the key of F. Okay, now I'm going to go over some scale degrees for you really quickly. In F, F is 1, G is 2, A is 3, B flat is 4, C is 5, D is 6, E is 7, and then F is 1. All right? Now, I gave you those scale degrees because remember what I said about this progression. It's the 7-3-6 minor 5-1-4 progression. Okay? And I'm just calling it that so that we can understand this from a basic level within the scale of F, okay? So we're gonna go to 7. Our 7 is gonna be diminished, and it's a E half diminished 7, okay? Now let's look at it just from a really simple level of how I would voice it. I'd play a G minor in my right hand and an E in the left. And then from there, I'm going to an A7 with a flat 9, okay? Now the way I get to that is simply by taking this D from the G minor chord that's in second inversion, and I bring it down here to C sharp, D flat, and then I bring my left hand to A, okay? So we have. Now, for my right hand, we're gonna go to a 6, okay? So we've just played 3-6. So, sorry, we just played 7-3, now we're going to 6. So it's gonna be a D minor, okay? So for my right hand, I'm playing an F in second inversion with a D in the left hand. And then from there, I'm gonna go to a C in my left hand to an E flat in my right. And that gives me a C minor chord. C minor 7 chord, and that C minor 7 is our 5. So we have 7, 3, 6, 5. All right? Now, this one's going to be really simple. All you need to do with this E flat chord is drop this B flat down to A, okay? So we're going to drop the B flat right here down to A, and then we're going to take our left hand and bring it on F. Okay? So, and then from there, we are going to play a D minor in our right hand. So the only thing we're doing is moving this E flat and G to D and F. That gives us a D minor, and then we're taking our left hand and bringing it up to B flat. And that gives us a B flat major 7 overall, okay? So the whole progression, slowly. All right? And so I just wanted to give you this progression so you understood, you know, that the standard gospel progression. I mean, it's used in so many songs, okay? With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I actually have the 736 minor 4, minor 514 progression in a chart in all of your keys in a link below. So go ahead, feel free to download that link. And then also we have a free trial of our student membership where you can check out everything for free. And guess what? You don't even need a credit card. All right. So feel free to sign up for that in the links above me. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.